Hello again. My name is Greg from MX Boot Resole Repair. Today I want to explain the benefits of sending your boots to us for repair instead of going to your local cobbler. For the first reason, we have direct relationships with most manufacturers to get the soles at a better price, which enables the consumer to benefit from that as well, which most cobblers don't have access to. The second reason is how we apply the glues and the additives that produce the bond required for the boots. Most cobblers either don't have access to the glues and additives, or they don't know the proper mixture, how to make it work so the bond is made proper so when you ride it doesn't fall off. The third reason is that we have the proper equipment and resources to effectively put on your boots, especially when it comes to the Alpine Star Tech Series boots that require a molded press that are bonded differently. The fourth reason is that we offer free shipping. We feel that because you have to ship it to us from wherever you are, we want to help out by offering you free shipping back. So basically, if you have any questions or concerns about that, you can check our website out at mxbootrepair.com, which shows pricing and order form and other answers that you have questions to. Thanks.